Hey, on the stock, just a quick little video. I'm about to cut my muffler off because I got a stack which is half-ass mounted, and I bought an adapter to go from 3.5 to the 5, and I'm going to cut all this out and run some welds for that. But I want a before and after sound clip, so I'm gonna set up and we're gonna do that real quick. Well, that's the before. Now I'm going to cut it off and weld that up, and we'll see how that sounds. Bear with me. Well, I cut all of that off. We're going to use a piece of this to get the 90. I got my 5-inch 90 and an adapter, but I want to see what it sounds like with just that open real quick. It's probably way loud, but we're going to find out. Technical difficulties. Anyway, yeah. That shutdown whistle though. Alright, we're gonna make this stack work now. Alrighty guys, well, I got it all tacked up. 5-inch elbow, adapter, 90. Looks a little silly, but I had to step up to get it underneath the frame. And the flange is under there. And I unbolted it here. So this should slide right back together once I finish weld here, 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 and up here. So I'm gonna burn those in real quick and stick it back in there. Then do a couple stitch welds on that top plate to keep it there. But all right, we'll be back in a little minute. Alrighty, well, stack's on there. Now we're gonna do an after start. Bear with me. I didn't try it. There we go. So that's cool-ish. But so stacked. Short video. You guys keep on keeping on, and we'll see you the next time we're doing something